me, Dakota, Tammy's son. Sorry for the inconvenience about yesterday. I forgot to make a video. And but today I'm making a video for Mom because she's not feeling all too good. So it'll be like my random Sunday addition to my videos. Right, so we got Pixie. I know you love my cats. Oh, what a good girl. Yes, yes, yes. Such a sweetheart. And Tiger. But we really haven't given you the chance to see our horses very often. Yeah, hi there. Hi. Hi. Yeah, such a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes, this is Miracle, by the way. Hey, it's Fancy. Yeah, hey, girl. Hi. Yeah, you a good girl, too. Yeah. And this is Jewel. She's my mom's favorite. She's a good girl, most of the time. And Kiowa, he's a good boy, too. You're such a good boy, you. Yes. Who doesn't love cats? Alright, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye! Yeah? Goodbye? Right? Yeah? Maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe we ought to watch the cats just a little more. JK.